welcome back to my channel once again. So McDonald's once again. I was very hungry, so look at this. It's a Happy Meal and it costed just $5.99. You get this one. You can choose whether you want Coke or Fanta, which is nice. And here you have, let me show you, the French fries here. And you have two different burgers. Look at this. So I'm very hungry. And then you have also sauce. Oh, it's going to be difficult for me to eat. So I'm going to put the sauce inside here. I'm so hungry, and I really like it because it's warm. And it's windy. It's very nice. I'm struggling and eating. Now I understand why people come to McDonald's when they are hungry. See my struggles. Weather is very nice today. This chicken burger. I'm enjoying like anything, guys. Today it's more tasty again.
Gleis 7, Einfahrt RT4 nach Wolfhagen über Oberfellmar. Abfahrt 14:06 Uhr. Vorsicht bei der Einfahrt.
I like when the French fries are like this, thin and tall. It's very tasty. German lady sitting next to me, smiling, looking at me. We have again another burger. I'm like so kakwa. I'm hungry, not. I haven't eaten anything. Oh wow, look at this. Oh man, chicken burger. At first I was like, I bought one hamburger and then one small hummus and then ketchup, and it costed like nearly €6. So I ended up taking this smart choice where I even have a
Ihre
Fanta here,
nächsten Anschlüsse
and
RB5
this one
nach
also not that
Fulda
small.
über Bebra, Abfahrt 14:15 Uhr von Gleis 7. ICE 795 nach Frankfurt am Main, Flughafen Fernbahnhof über Fulda, Abfahrt 14:14 Uhr von Gleis 2. RT5 nach Melsungen über Baunatal Untershausen, Abfahrt 14:23 Uhr von Gleis 7. RE11 nach Hamm-Westfalen Hauptbahnhof über Paderborn Hauptbahnhof, Abfahrt 14:03 Uhr, heute circa 20 Minuten später von Gleis 4. Und RE30 nach Frankfurt am Main Hauptbahnhof über Gießen, Abfahrt 14:29 Uhr von Gleis 7.
I'm enjoying like anything, guys. This smart meal is perfect when you're hungry.
Gleis 8, Einfahrt RB 38 nach Zimmersrode über Wabern, Abfahrt 14:08 Uhr. Vorsicht bei der Einfahrt.
So they're announcing like this in German, no? So you have to listen carefully because sometimes they change the platform in the last minute. I have this left now. My stomach is filled, but I'm feeling like this now. It's not healthy. You could even take a cola or Coke or Fanta. It's up to you. For me, I like Fanta.
Ihre nächsten Anschlüsse RT1 nach Hofgeismar über Oberfellmar, Abfahrt 14:22 Uhr von Gleis 8. RT5 nach Melsungen über Baunatal-Guntershausen, Abfahrt 14:23 Uhr von Gleis 7, direkt gegenüber. RE11 nach Westfalen Hauptbahnhof über Paderborn Hauptbahnhof, Abfahrt 14:03 Uhr. Heute circa 25 Minuten später von Gleis 4. ICE 789 nach München Hauptbahnhof über Fulda, Abfahrt 14:23 Uhr. Heute circa 5 Minuten später von Gleis 2. Und RB4 nach Vierenberg über Oberfellmar, Abfahrt 14:35 Uhr von Gleis 8.
So satisfying. I'm not hungry anymore. My mom brought kasimmer. Oh my goodness. If you're really hungry and you don't care about healthy food, then I recommend this. Of course, it's not a sponsored video. After eating, I'm feeling a little bit dizzy because it's not healthy, like I said. But I enjoyed. I enjoyed every bite. So guys, that's it. I hope you like it. Very spontan mukbang. I thought I will not take a mukbang because it's not convenient for me to, eat and then take a video. I'm holding my camera on my other hand and eating just with one hand. So it's a very raw mukbang. But I hope you like it still. Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much for watching till the end. See, I never eat a junk food, that's why my body is reacting already. I'm burping. So thank you all so much once again for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.